Okay, let's take a look at this. So there's something here that I think that's a very useful strategy just in general. Whenever you see fractions, you kind of want to get rid of them as soon as possible. So actually, what I'm going to do, because it's so easy to do in this case, I'm going to actually distribute 2 into every single term. And what that's going to do is 2 times a half is just going to give me 1. So it just leaves me with 5x plus 1 raised to the 1/3. Over here, 2 times 5 halves is 5, and over here, 2 times 4 is 8. And so now I don't have fractions, and to compound the awesomeness of this, if I subtract 5 from both sides, I'm almost done with the problem. So this gives me 5x plus 1 to the 1/3 equals 3. And now all I have to do is raise it to the third, raise it to the third. 5x plus 1 equals 3 to the third, which is 27. Easy algebra from here. Just subtract 1 from both sides. 26 equals 5x. It's not going to be pretty, but we'll get an answer. Divide by 5. And x is going to be 26 over 5. Are we certain? I'm not sure. Let us not be overwhelmed by hubris. Substitute it back in. I get 1/2 5x. I don't want x. I want 26 over 5. Why does my voice get like this? I don't know. So 5 times 26 over 5 plus 1 raised to the 1/3 plus 5 over 2. It should be 4. Looks a little nasty. Let's find out. So 5 divided by 5 will cancel out. This leaves me with 26 plus 1, which is 27 to the 1/3. I have a 1/2 on the outside plus 5 over 2. Hopefully is 4. Let's find out. What's the cube root of 27? That's 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So from here, 1/2 times 3 is just 3 over 2 plus 5 over 2 equals 4. Turns out that because the denominators are the same, I can just add the tops. I get 8 over 2, which is 4. That gives me 4, which is 4. And that happens to be correct, and I win. And there's your answer. What am I saying? I didn't win. We won. America won. The answer is 26 over 5. America.